Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the same market sentiment is continuing. Dollar index is going up again, still very much bullish. It has crossed the resistance of 105 and still looks strong. And obviously, we can see pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD, and others. Dollar extends gain ahead of Fed CPI. Dollar index rose above 105 on Monday, marching toward 4-week highs as investors brace for the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut decision and the CPI report this week. Yes, we have CPI FOMC coming up on Wednesday. So till then, we can expect the same market sentiment to continue because after NFP, there was a big blast. As we all know, expectation was 185,000 jobs and numbers came around 272,000 jobs. Huge difference. So till CPI, we can expect the same market sentiment to continue on all the US dollar pairs. Okay, so this is the chart of DXY in front of us, and we can still see the market is still very much bullish. So yes, if you are planning to look for fresh positions on any dollar pair, you need some retracement here. Then only you will get a retracement on your favorite pair. Okay, and right now, where is the resistance? The next resistance seems to be around 105.45 to 105.50. But in this type of market situation where fundamentals are dominating, okay, usually levels do not work. Maybe you will see a temporary resistance and market will be going up again. So plan your trades accordingly. Do not think there's a resistance, market will reverse. No, market sentiment is above all. You need to understand the correlation between the fundamentals and technicals. Fundamentals give direction, technicals are helpful for entry and exit only. Okay, technicals do not give direction to the market. And as the market is still going up, so obviously we do not have any retracement level yet. But yes, if market goes down, we can expect support around 105 level because the 200 moving average previously it was the resistance, so the same moving average will be working as the new support for the market if market comes for retracement. Okay, and my dear friends, finally the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again after 3 months, I guess. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. My dear friends, I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You'll find all the details on the website. My dear friends, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. And if you are really depressed right now, you just go to the About Me section. You will find my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Please go to the story and you will understand that everything is possible. And these are the topics that we will be discussing in 3 days. As I said, 3 days workshop plus 1 month support because it is not possible to cover everything in 3 days. And as I always believe that it's a step-by-step process. So after 3 days learning, okay, we will be having 4 weekly classes. These are the topics of the weekly classes. Along with that, you will be receiving regular market updates analysis. This is our WhatsApp group. You can see that I post here regularly. You will find regular market updates, analysis, and during important events like CPI, NFP, we also have live session. So this is how it looks like. You can see that I post here regularly so that you can understand that in which direction you need to proceed for the day. Along with that, we also have a lively Telegram community because trading is a lonely journey. So we have traders from all around the world where you can share ideas, ask questions. It's a colorful community where you can learn a lot of things here. And these are the dates. You can see English classes 28, 29, 30th of June, and Hindi classes will start from 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June. These are the timings. You can join now also. You don't need to worry. Okay, till the workshop, you'll be getting free market analysis updates. And obviously, after the workshop, you will be getting the 1 month support. Okay, as I promised. Okay, so you can join now also. There is no issues. And yes, limited seats available. You must be knowing that I conduct the session okay only 3 to 4 times a year only. Okay, I'm not a course seller. Okay. And if you just participate on the workshop, it's only $15, rupees 1,000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. For everything, only 1,000 or $15. And if you really like my work, if you want to stay connected with me, you can also go for semi-annual for $65, rupees 4,000 for Indians. And here, along with the updates, analysis, and support, you'll also be getting 2 personal sessions with me. And if you love me, then if you want to stay connected with me for lifetime, it's only $125 or rupees 8,000. And in lifetime support, you'll also receive 6 personal sessions with me. So if you're struggling with the market, if you believe that I need to talk to you, I need to learn from you, then yes, you can sign up for the lifetime workshop, lifetime support actually, not workshop, okay, where you'll be getting 6 personal sessions, one-on-one sessions with me, so that we can clear doubts, we can work on the problems. Hope you guys will love it. Okay, आप लोग को अच्छा लगा होगा. Okay, and these are the payment options here. Okay, so almost all the popular payment options are available here. I used to teach for free, but I learned a lesson that okay, you should never teach for free. Okay, it was a bad experience. And I also taught for $1. Okay, that was also a bad decision. But okay, but my dear friends, okay, these are the payment options available. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here. Okay, I'll be adding you to the group. Okay, so once you're done, do not forget to share the payment screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email. Okay, if you email, then please do share your WhatsApp number. And let me answer already that if you are unable to attend and if you are feeling very bad, that Avilash, fine, will be conducting the next workshop, as I said. And you must be knowing also that I do not conduct workshops regularly because trading is my bread and butter. Okay, and these workshops, dealing with people takes a lot of time. So the next workshop will be in October, I guess. Okay, that will be last workshop. So my dear friends, if you're interested, okay, if you want to learn from me, then you are most welcome. After all, it's the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, but the best workshop. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's look at the sentiment on euro. Euro slips to 1 month low as Macron calls French election. If you want to read this long article, I will paste the link in the description so that you can go through it. And this is the chart of euro dollar, euro USD in front of us. And right after the market opening, dollar started going up. So obviously, there was pressure on Euro USD, and Euro USD is going down. So if you have any ongoing sell position on Euro USD, no need to exit, my dear friends. We have further downside possible. Continue with the sell. And if you're looking for fresh position or fresh sell in the market, then obviously sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best trading strategy for you. And at this moment, as the market is already falling, okay, the number of trading opportunities are very less. And if you're wondering about the support of the market, the next support is around, my dear friend, 1.0720. 1.0720 is the next support on the market, because this is the level from where market bounced previously. And you can see we have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, the previous resistance will also be acting as support. Multiple reasons, okay, where because of which we can expect the market to take some support here. But the market sentiment is not positive right now. And as we all know, fundamentals give direction to the market. So if market comes to this level of 1.0720, maybe we will just get a temporary bounce of 30-40 pips, not more than that. And after that, market will be going down again. So that's why I'm saying that you need to understand the correlation between the fundamentals and technicals. So till Wednesday, we can expect the same market sentiment to continue. Okay. So if market comes to 1.0720, 1.0720, observe the situation. If you see the market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position. You can expect 25 to 35, 40 pips, and then you need to exit, because after that, if market forms a big red candle, you will be trapped. After all, the market is bearish. And as a swing trader, if you are already holding a sell position, no need to exit. You are doing a good job. Okay, further downside is possible right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, already it has gone up sharply. So obviously, after some time, we can expect some retracement. Okay, so let's wait for the retracement right now, because If you look at a chart of Euro USD here, okay, you can see that the dynamic resistances are far away. Okay, so we have a very limited window. Okay, so the selling opportunity is around 1.0785. You can see we have used FIBO here. So if DXY comes for retracement, observe Euro USD. If Euro USD goes up, then observe the market around this area 1.0785. Okay, you can see here 1.0785. We have the FIBO 0.236, and around 1.0805 we have FIBO 0.382. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position, sell on rise. Okay, but if market is very weak, market fails to go to 1.0785 level, you can also observe the market around 1.0765, where the previous support will be working as a resistance. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friend, if you are holding a sell position on Euro USD, you can continue with the sell position because of the ongoing market sentiment. But yes, we do have a strong support around 1.0720, where we can expect a quick bounce, not a complete trend reversal as of now, because of the same market sentiment. And yes, DXY will be coming for retracement at one point, because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. Okay, so when DXY coming for retracement, observe Euro USD. The two best levels where we can look for sell are 1.0805 and 1.0785. These are the two levels. You can also draw FIBO like this. But if market fails to go up, we cannot help it. In that case, we can look for the previous support to act as resistance around 1.0765. If market reverses from there, we can look for a sell. At this moment, okay, as market is not showing proper consolidation, so a sell at breakdown, okay, I cannot tell you right now, but during the day, okay, during the day, if you see market goes for consolidation like this, then you can also look for a sell below this level as well. Okay, now let's look at the chart of British pound US dollar, the cable. Okay, the cable is somewhat in a better position, because if I take you to the Forex chart, you can still see that the strong support of 1.2690 is still very much valid. Okay, so if you see market coming to this level and market going up, market taking support, or market showing prices action for below, you can go for a buy position. I'm not saying that, okay, take a buy and sit and forget. No, this is not going to work, because if dollar continues the upside, then obviously we will see pressured here as well. But okay, but dollar index has already gone up sharply, so yes, when dollar will be going for retracement, we can expect some sort of bounce around this area 1.2690 to 1.2700. If market takes support and bounces, we can look for a buy position as a day trader. Okay, and the selling pressure is too high on Euro USD in comparison to GBP USD. So if you want to take a sell, it's better to look for a sell on Euro USD, not in GBP USD, because you can see here that we have a sell going on in the market right now. But if we look at the chart of GBP USD, then it looks like a sideways market here. So if we get an opportunity to sell, obviously we should take a sell on the weaker market, not the stronger market, isn't it? So where is the trading opportunity? The only trading opportunity, or the only level where I will be going for a trade, is here. If market takes support and bounces, and as the market is not very weak in comparison to Euro USD, I don't think so taking a sell somewhere around here is a wise decision. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the market work and perform. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And as I always say, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers, so do not trade blindly. Okay, get the confirmation first. Bye bye, take care.